What's the meaning of autoclave? Autoclave. Autoclave.
Autoclave. Autoclave. An autoclave is a device used to sterilize equipment and supplies. It uses high-pressure and high-temperature steam to kill bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that may be present on the items being sterilized. This process ensures that the items are safe for use in medical and laboratory settings. Autoclaves are commonly used in hospitals, dental offices, and research laboratories. The result of autoclaving is complete elimination of all microbial life from the items being sterilized, making them safe to use without risk of infection or contamination.